The major issues wey dey for the front page of Nigerian political discussion na security and the economy. And inside our obodo Nigeria, we dey try everything wey we get for our power to make our country safe and pursue the economic k-leg wey we get inside our obodo Nigeria. Welcome to As E Dey Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi. I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as he take concern political matter. But before I try and give am, I go tell una say happy Salah.
Good morning, our viewers, and as Chukwudi, in that same spirit of wishing our Muslim brothers happy Salah, we go say Eid al-Fitr tuna, and I also know saying the spirit of this Salah, and this we go do it. We go come together, rub minds together. I mean, jollificate together to ensure say yes, our nation move forward. Yes, my name never changed. My name na Nkubi, and this na As E Dey Hot.
Yes, as we dey do am every Friday, we dey call am the Alasepo episode or the concussion episode, because every issue wey we discuss throughout the week, all the ogbonge news wey we carry come to discuss am as the thing dey comot smoke, we go through everything for ground today, control the phone lines open sharp so that you sef go call to chook mouth for on top of the matter. Based on say we be the only television station wey fit kill goat to take use make pepper soup for you. We knack una with 3 telephone lines, come top am up with 1 toll-free line. Wetin be toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go dey pay. On Monday, we tear the nylon on top of everything wey happen for the weekend. Sake of say we dey lock our shop on Friday, but our ears still dey ground, and we look different matter. And the matter dem wey come out that Monday get to do with security issue for inside our obodo Nigeria. Sake of say as our soldier people dem and government and the people of Nigeria dey bring idea on how to pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people comot for this our country, dem sef dey do everything wey dem fit do to use cause katakata inside our country. We see say we dey win the battle against them because e get the time when we say dem claim territories, that they occupy some kind of place for inside our country, but we don sack them, pursue them for all these places, come restrict their activity to only Sambisa forest. But they don develop new idea and new strategy. Wetin dem dey do? They go kurukere, enter inside where people dey, come do boa with themselves. We give one story of wetin happen for inside Plateau State, where we say dem plant some kind IEDs inside the church and one area when they around am. But as God go get am, and as the vigilance of one private security officer do, no bad thing happen to anybody. And we still dey grateful to God for wetin him do. Now all the things wey we discuss on Monday be that.
And on Tuesday, yes, on Tuesday we come carry the story of the new service chiefs wey Oga Muhammad Buhari do it, where he appoint. He dismissed the former ones, come say, yes, from this moment on, Unawa will give the mantle now go take over the mantle of leadership when it comes to security matter for our country. And immediately dismiss the old service chiefs. He can't appoint new ones. And who be these people he appoint? He appoint Air Vice Marshal Abu Bakr. Air Vice Marshal Abu Bakr now be chief of air staff. And we can also appoint Major General Burutai. Major General Burutai now be chief of army staff. You can also mention Major General Oloni Shakin now be chief of defense staff. You can also mention Rear Admiral Ibok Eteekwe. Ibok Eteekwe now be chief of naval staff. You can also mention Air Vice Marshal Morgan. Air Vice Marshal Morgan now be chief of defense, that is chief of defense intelligence. So now all these people, Oga Muhammad Buhari do it. He say, look, because of say we don't hear on our record, because of say me as the president, I don't know now one on one. I don't know now. Now just based on our achievement, on our success, on our positions we then give now when I do well. Now based on that merit, now they appoint now to come fill this position and make sure say we now provide security for our country, Nigeria. Now what we'll talk about on Tuesday with that.
On Wednesday, we can't chook eye on top of the visit when we say the national leader of the All Progressives Congress, the Asiwaju one of the whole of the world, and the Jagabambogu of Nigeria, Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as he carry leg waka go the sitting room of the Aso Villa sit down with President Muhammadu Buhari. Two of them even chop from the same plate after the Ramadan fast end on that day. We can't break them down sake of say, before that time, so many water don't pass under the bridge as it take concern the election for National Assembly. And the fact say some people decide say the names when we say the All Progressives Congress National Working Committee send come, they now go call them out for the house. Now the caucus go choose people when go sit down as principal officers of the house. But as news story people come ask the Asiwaju say, what will be your relationship with President Muhammadu Buhari? He clear in throat 3 times. He can say, well, I am loyal to President Muhammadu Buhari. I am loyal to the party. Anything when he wants make it happen, now it go happen. Many people belle come sweet because they remember say Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu na him been don talk am. Say although he no be God though, but he no go recognize Bukola Saraki as Senate president. This one they come see am as shift in stance. I go speak English because he be like say okay he don gree say he don emerge and na time for us to move forward. Some people come look say based on this thing wey no happen now, the wahala when they happen inside APC, it don't become thing of the past and now for everybody to move forward. Now what we discuss on Wednesday, be that.
Yes, and then on Thursday we can't do it. We can't also go on that level. We can't do it. We can't say no. Go even visit one talk where our former president talk. That is them. Our former president will be president between 1999 and 2007. That is Oga Olusegun Obasanjo. Where he come out, where he talk saying, Nigerians, I not say that we don't carry this thing for mind until why I choose the late Yaradua as my successor. You say, he don't look everywhere. Don't check everything checkable. Say he no see anybody where they clean, where they corruption free. Where if he say okay, make I bring you out. Make you feel in this position, make you contest position, can also become president. You say he look am. That is even carry out research, sincere research, serious research to make sure say whether he go fit see anybody. On top of all this research, he say he no see anybody. Say every person wey see they corrupt. No only Oga Yaradua, the late Yaradua, na be the person wey dey sincere, wey dey transparent. Wey you say if na you dey sincere, if na you dey transparent, oya come represent me, come become the next person who go become president. And the reason why I call the talk this is because make Oga Muhammad Buhari make it take in time. Make it make sure say look I think they do make it take in time, just make sure say he do it systematically. They make sure say he clean up the system, say corruption full everywhere. Say corruption full, that is corruption even surround them. Say corruption full everywhere. And for that reason make it take in time. And people come to talk saying why the former president will come out and they give advice to the current president? So what concern now? She even look Nigeria, the entire Nigeria finish, you know see better person if he say make it bring it can't be Oga Yaradua. Say he himself. Say make you even look you. You want to talk say you know they corrupt. These are questions which Nigerians come to ask. Say, Oga OBJ, make you know how to talk your talk, because if you also look at your government, self, they somehow corrupt. Which means as long as it happens under your government, you self somehow. So now what we'll talk about on Thursday will be yesterday with that.
Today will be Friday. 48 days after President Muhammadu Buhari swear the oath of allegiance, saying he go protect the integrity of this country and defend the people of Nigeria. And based on say today, na Saturday, we go look the message when we say he give Nigerians on this special day to come look back at the relevance or importance of this period when we say we don't observe our country and now we go move our country forward. We know say we don't talk plenty. We don't do plenty, but this is not time for all of us as Nigerians to join our hand together, irrespective, I go speak English, irrespective of the language when we speak or where we come from. Make we get that for our mind, say Nigeria, na our mama, Nigeria, na our fatherland, and na all of us go move this our country forward. Nkubi, I know say we are not be Muslim, they go church, you know one way they do every Sunday, go they play reggae music for house. But I go wish you this wonderful Salah day when we say our Muslim brothers and sisters inside this country, people wey be say I dey stand up to speak for them, to speak for justice, to speak for the truth, to speak for equity, to speak for fairness on behalf of all of them and all of us wey dey inside this our country. I go just wish you say happy Salah celebration, and I go like appeal to you because all the truth wey you dey talk na for one side of your mouth na im the thing dey come from. This na the time for you to do wetin? To comot, I go speak one strong word, to comot the toga or the cloak of sentiment and bias, make you begin dey see am from the way wey be say me and the full Nigeria dey see this matter. So thank you very much.
No sense I turn my head, they look you.
You go fall down o.
Because I look and finish. When my head dey straight, they look you. Everything wey just dey come out from my dey so confusing, so nihilistic. Life full am. So I can't say yes. Either way, it's my time. So I can't see me even.
No.
I can't see me even turn my head now. Twist my head to see whether I will see some element of truth from this direction of my head.
You don't come this show.
Imagine.
Which one be your term? You tell me say nihilistic. Which one be nihilistic?
It is my term. Nigerians understand. The same way when they bring that term here, allow me use my own term.
You don't find out the one when they use. See say no correct. Which one be nihilistic?
Nihilistic. It is my term.
Which your term?
It is my term. I can decide to just create a word of my own.
Why you decide to your mama be Queen of England when we say I don't get English? You go come create your time. Who could be apologize to Nigerians? Nihilistic. Why you go use nihilistic for it?
It is my term and it remains my term and it will continue to remain my term. Nihilistic.
No wonder that you come out for this show talk say Nigerian women and say then make them go rest first. Make men do something. You
from my own mouth.
From your own mouth. Unkubi from your own mouth.
Nigerians from my own mouth. Chukudi right in front of Nigerians impose lie on me. Even they make a mistake in the lie. Chukudi, look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. Look into these eyes.
I'm not afraid of your eyes.
Look into these eyes and tell me.
I will look into your eyes. I'm not afraid of your eyes.
You get the liberty to even look into my eyes.
We go find that video. We go play for here.
Which video be that?
The video where you talk that is say Nigerian women. You talk that time when they argue say first lady or no first lady. You talk about before election.
Say what?
Forget. Waiting.
Say what?
Now you also talk about police people. You so many things we don't talk about.
When they bring out all this matter now?
Wait. No. We must probe you. We must probe you. We must probe you.
Young man, hold on.
Don't call me a young man.
Hold on, young man.
Don't call me a young man.
Young man,
don't call me a young man.
I have the right to call you anything I want to call you. You're a young man. Before me, you're a young man. Before me, you are a young man. So hold on, young man. You can refer me as a young man. I don't care. But before me, you are a young man. Young man, look. These are matters where we don't talk go past. Why are you trying to remind Nigerians of waiting don't go past? Okay. You know they forgive. Nigerians don't forgive me. If I talk, it's not waiting and talk. If not waiting and talk, Nigerians don't even forget and sin. Why are you this wicked?
Okay, Unkubi.
Why are you this wicked?
Unkubi.
So because of that, they come and they tell Nigerians the truth. They stand for the truth of people who know how they stand for truth. You can't say, I must look for a way to bring down this guy. I must look for a way to make sure I ruin you before the viewers.
Unkubi, you don't expose yourself for the full Nigeria. Nigerians know
Say
who
waiting.
you are today.
Say waiting.
Come, they hear you say, if to say you talk they don't forgive you. One. If to say Unkubi. So this is the way they try to tell us now, directly or indirectly, they tell us say, all the promise where APC make, if they don't fit do am, we go forgive them, abi. 5,000 for elderly people, jobless people, sick people.
They never appoint ministers.
They
never name ministers. Hold on, let them name minister before you go come they kick me. Hold on. Those are the cabinet of the government. What they don't name them, then you come they see quick action. Come they see government in action.
You know what? You know why they happy? You know why they happy?
So, if you like this, I don't know
why they happy.
So
we dey get record of all these things wey you don talk. The day when we go back, you know say
it's okay. See, listen, I tell you, it's okay. See, it's okay. Before Nigerians here, before our viewers they watch me, if you no provide those facts, if you no provide those things where you talk say they, make sure say you provide them, say and make they concrete. Say now I talk am where you talk say I talk am now so it be.
No.
Because if one word means from all the way you take talk and say I talk, if one word means even if I say you are say same, you can't say sames. Chukudi, in fact, I know use the word.
You don't turn this thing upside down.
No.
You don't turn it upside down.
How turn it upside down?
Okay, thank you.
I'm not going to even picture you out of any reason.
During the campaign.
I go unfold you.
You go fold me.
I go unfold you. Make sure say those things about you, I go unfold and Nigerians go see and say, hey, now like this Chukwudi be.
APC promise Nigerians money, abi they no promise Nigerians
Chukwudi.
money. If they enter government,
Listen to
how
me.
much they promise?
Listen to me.
5,000.
Listen to me.
Even if na 4, 5,
Chukwudi,
even if
they
na
don't
3, 9,
withdraw from
they
their talk.
You say wetin?
They don't withdraw from that talk.
May never finish.
Chukwudi,
June
they
never
never
finish.
get cabinet wey go
July
work
don
with
dey
Oga
finish.
Muhammadu Buhari.
Oh, so if na
So
get cabinet,
allow them
una
have
go-
a cabinet before you go come out here come dey talk the way they talk.
Okay.
If you don't na this check suit or this way wey na just dey make you dey so excited abi dey put in a confused state.
So Ukubi, you are already owing me 2 months salary. 2 months 5,000. You are owing me 10,000. June don't go.
Are you
July don't go.
jobless?
Which one is am I jobless?
No, of course. Are you jobless?
Which one is am I jobless?
If you are jobless, I can afford to make sure
When
I
una
help you out
promise
to
to pay me
provide
money,
a job for you.
una ask the kind job when I dey do.
I dey owe you.
Ukubi,
No point me. Don't start that pointing
I
to
will
this
point
man.
you. I will
I'll
point you.
stretch my pen and point at you.
I will swear. I will
Oga Noah,
point you with
good
my
morning.
pen back. I will point you with my pen back.
Good morning, Oga Noah.
You wan greet person on salary, you dey vex. Good morning, Oga.
Good morning, Oga Noah jare.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How una dey?
We dey
We dey fine,
fine.
Oga.
You dey hot this morning o, you dey hot o.
Yes, e dey hot. Na him dey cause
You
am.
too dey hot this morning.
No mind
no
Ukubi
sweat,
now.
Well, I think say in the spirit of Ramadan, the spirit of say we don't finish fasting. Say you go say okay, brotherly, embrace me.
No,
Now you come now,
Allah. I wish you a happy Ramadan.
Thank
yeah.
you very much. Wish you the same.
So to put mouth for the contribution on the ground, there's only one question I want to ask.
Okay.
This delay of ministers, there is a great danger involved. Seriously. There is a danger. Economy is not going well. Things are not going well. Please, Oga Buhari should do something about it and the security as fast as possible. At least, let him name those major ministries. Minister of Finance, Security and other education and others. At least, so that things can move. Because as right now, we don't know where we are going. We don't know where we go at all. Everything just stay in the middle. Nobody won't release money because we don't know where the economy will lead us to. So now the only thing we are pertaining to waiting Oga Olusegun talk, I beg, hope we forget that. We get some things where we say we go address. We get some things where we will know. Because if we won't enter that matter now, he himself is corrupt. So who is he telling that he should not be corrupt or this and that? So hope we forget that one. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much, Oga Noah.
Oga Noah, you don make very, very important points, but we go also emphasize, say, just like wetin the former president of this country talk, say corruption don get six-pack inside this our country, and our Oga president go take time to comot am so that the mistake wey we make for the past, we no go make am again. But that one no mean say make we no come get ministers, because you need to explain so that Nigerians go understand. From Lagos all the way to Abuja, we go hear Oga Alex. Oga Alex, good morning, sir, and happy Salah.
Good morning, Chukwudi Alukundi.
Good morning, Oga Alex.
Welcome to Salah to all Nigerians.
We wish them the same, and we also wish you the same.
You no go collect your own wish. Why you
Particularly
wish
to
everybody
the
the same?
northeast where they want to make peace of Allah be upon the northeast. Make calm restore there.
Yes, so amen.
And then, Chukwudi, I want comment on what your Babaja talk on corruption.
Okay.
You see, actually the British people that go Nigeria about corruption. I said the British when they give us independence, they born Nigeria with corruption.
Okay.
And I remember the circumstances when they take the first minister of finance. Like corruption concern, they drag him along Kiman. And again, I don't know how old in that day, 1977 to 78, when Obasanjo was the first military president. And I remember Idi Amin at that time sent down Nigerian plane for Uganda over 2.8 billion when they carry from Nigeria. That time Obasanjo the power. And I remember he constituted a first panel headed by late Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Ayo Rikefe. Nothing come out of that probe till today. So, if Obasanjo they talk of corruption, they look at he means say when he was the head of state, when he was the new president, he is the young people who are corrupt. What is and they come to say, don't directly guide yourself say it's a corrupt person. Make I remind you again, what about the females and the bosses of physical scandal? That's the one about what they there. When you are the jail people, when you the jail people, how many people are better than jail for Nigeria here? So, see, that man, he got what he do for biology, Hydra, It's ended. In fact, he's a comic character farmer. He can make a good character in the own movies. But anyway, he don't contribute to court as a military head of state and then as a civilian head of state. He is supposed to borrow me for the type of the Tegari, Abdulsalam Abubakar, and Babangida. However, how it is, I wish you that. Barka is not like this.
Thank you very much,
Oga Alex. You don't make very important
Can just go history.
Eh.
Tell us about what happened for 1970.
Thank you very much.
And all
Because
that.
all of them they come, they put out like saying that only the under the government of Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan na corruption dey for
Why
inside
you
this country.
take talk from my mouth?
I know what you dey your mind.
Why you take talk from my mouth?
I know what is on your mind. Yes, Oga Joshua from Abuja. I will finish you on top of this show.
Oga Joshua, good morning. Happy Barika de Sala. You.
I know they fear you.
Barika de Sala, Oga Joshua.
Barka de Sala to you people.
Thank you.
Yes, I want to talk this morning about the minister list. You know, when APC came into power, one thing they said they want to do is change. So they don't want to do the way other people are doing in the previous administration, the way they are doing. Now the president is taking his time to know who he will put as a minister. If we say change, we won't bring ministers. You other people are bringing ministers. So let's be patient with him. Even though it's going to take 3 months, 2 months, after there's passing doing the work of the ministers now in the various ministries. So we should allow the president, he know the reason why he's taking his time. If we're talking about corruption, we need to be patient with him. Anybody that will be a minister will be somebody who will be somebody of integrity. It will be somebody that is corrupt. So he's taking his time to know who will be the minister in every various ministries. And for now, I know very soon he will upon that. I'm talking about Obasanjo.
Very soon.
Obasanjo have the right to say anything you want to say. After all, he's not corrupt as even the past administration. When Obasanjo is there, corruption, him himself is not corrupt. People will be corrupt under him. But him himself is not corrupt. And nobody can hold him that he's corrupt. Because when he was there, we achieved many things. Let's remove sentiment or any other thing that people have against him. He's a man of integrity. He may do something that is wrong. Perhaps they're saying, if he said this Nigeria is corrupt, you know what he's saying. And everybody is corrupt. Including him, he may be corrupt, but he's not as corrupt as even other people. So we should not just talk about him and he's not the man anyhow and other things. The way people are expressing their opinion against him, so they talk too much. They should give him some respect.
Thank you very much, Oga Joshua from
Joshua, you don't make very,
Abuja.
very important points. But just like you get your own right
Opinion,
to talk
yes.
the way anything be, other people get the right to talk their own. Even though we know they encourage or we know they support, say, make them insult anybody. But freedom of expression, now right where all of us possess. We go collect Joseph. Oga Joseph, they call us from Lagos. Oga Joseph, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Good morning, Oga Joseph.
Yeah. So I want to ask a question. I was following a Punch paper. They say they banned dollars in Nigeria. Is it true?
That what?
They banned dollars. They are not using dollars again.
Oga Joseph, the question about banning dollar now, whether ban dollar for waiting, for the use, for transaction, for ordinary people, for ordinary use, because our currency, naira and kobo. But you get the places where we say that they use dollar for international transactions. And even for banks or bureau de change, when we say they certify them, themselves they sell dollar. But the information when you get, not be waiting there for news now.
Exactly.
But we go confirm.
Okay,
I will let you know.
What I want to ask again, what I want to contribute about this corruption. In Asura, everybody there is corrupt. So we can't just say this person can come and change us. We know that, yes, NPC are in power now. Instead of them to come and do the right thing, their promises, they go ahead and start fighting themselves. We are just what you are giving them some years, some months. We are counting days now. So if they didn't do well, we are going to pull them out and pull another person that can move our country forward. We didn't want people that will go there and be fighting themselves. want people that will move us forward, teach the youth the right thing to do.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Joseph, for your contribution. And on that on that question, if they ask us, if we get any information we relate to them, we go make una know. Yes, Chukwudi, back to you.
But before back to me,
no.
We go back to break. Now they tell me say no. Which one? No.
You don't have the right to tell me quietly. We need to go for break.
Why you go to?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.